Hello students, today I am starting new chapter permutations and combinations. This is very interesting and scoring topic of your syllabus. I have divided this topic into many parts. So without wasting time, let's start. I think this is a new word for you. So first I am giving you some scene. See, suppose you have 5 shirts, 4 pants and 2 pair of shoes. In how many different ways can you dress up? I think you are counting. This is very tedious. So in this chapter, we will learn some basic techniques which will enable you to answer the above question. So first, we will learn about the factorial. What is factorial? The continued product of first n natural numbers is called n factorial, or we can say factorial n. It is denoted by n factorial or factorial n. I am taking some example. N factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and so on n minus 1 into n. If I am taking 5 factorial, so 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. We can write in the reverse method, like 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, I am taking some more example. 7 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. I think now you are capable to understand factorial. It means number को multiply करना है till the 1 to till the number, right? One more thing, 0 factorial means 1. Okay, I am giving you some more examples so you will be able to better understand. Example 1. If 9 minus 6 factorial, 9 minus 6 factorial, parenthesis लगा हुआ है, so first we will solve the parenthesis. 9 minus 6 means 3. 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. Right? Now 9 factorial minus 8 factorial. Many students will write it 1 factorial, but it is not 1 factorial. Why? Because there is no parenthesis. So first we will open the 9 factorial, then we will open the 8 factorial and then we will minus like that. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now 4 factorial we can write 4 into 3 factorial also. If we want to write 7 factorial, so 7 into 6 factorial. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, it doesn't mean 3 plus 4 का whole factorial. You understand this point? Because it is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, यहाँ पे कोई भी parenthesis नहीं है. There is no parenthesis in this question. So we will not write parenthesis 3 plus 4 factorial. Now come to the next theorem, fundamental principle of counting. What is this? See, if there are m ways of doing a thing and for every m ways there are associated n ways of doing a second thing, then total number of ways of doing two things will be m into n. It means if एक काम को हम m तरीके से कर सकते हैं, दूसरे काम को n तरीके से कर सकते हैं, तो दोनों कामों को एक साथ m into n तरीके से कर सकते हैं. We can generalize this theorem. If there are three things, then we multiply it as a question. Multiply as per question. See, I am giving you example. A lady wants to select one cotton sari and one polyester sari from a textile group. If there are 10 cotton varieties and 12 polyester varieties, in how many ways can she choose two saris? You understand the question? एक लेडी वन कॉटन साड़ी सिलेक्ट करना चाहती है एंड वन पॉलिस्टर साड़ी सिलेक्ट करना चाहती है. उसके पास 10 कॉटन वेराइटीज हैं और 12 पॉलिस्टर वेराइटीज हैं. हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट वेज कैन शी चूज टू साड़ीज? देखिए, वो कॉटन साड़ी जो है वो 10 वेज से चुन सकती है ना, राइट? लेडी कैन सेलेक्ट वन कॉटन साड़ी of 10 cotton varieties in 10 ways. Corresponding to the one cotton sari, she can choose one polyester sari in 12 ways. Hence, two saris can be selected by 10 into 12. क्यों? Because the fundamental principle of counting says if there are m ways of doing a thing and for every m ways there are associated n ways of doing a thing. So total number of ways are m into n. Okay. Now see one more example. Suppose you have 5 shirts, 4 pants and 2 pair of shoes. I think you remember. I am asking this question in the first slide. Right. Now you are able to understand what is the answer of this question. In how many different ways can you dress up? You have 5 shirts, 4 pants, 2 pair of shoes. So by using fundamental principle of counting, how many different ways? 5 into 4 into 2. It means there are 40 ways from which you can dress up. Okay. Now find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letter of the word rise, R-I-S-E. Repetition of the word is not allowed. It means कि लेटर को हम रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. अब हमें 4 लेटर वर्ड्स बनाने हैं, ये नहीं कर सकते कि आर से ही 4 के 4 लेटर्स बना दिए, आर 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 आर, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. ओके. तो 4 लेटर वर्ड्स हैं, तो फर्स्ट प्लेस पे 4 चॉइसेस है हमारे पास. आर भी आ सकता है फर्स्ट प्लेस पे, आई भी आ सकता है, एस भी आ सकता है, ई भी आ सकता है. नाउ अगर कोई एक आ गया तो सेकेंड प्लेस पे कितनी चॉइस होंगी? देयर आर ओनली 3 चॉइसेस. हाँ, देन नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे 2 चॉइसेस, देन लास्ट प्लेस पे 1 चॉइस. सो by fundamental principle of counting, the answer will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It means 24. I hope you are able to understand fundamental principle of counting. In the next video, I will tell you about the permutation. So, please watch my videos. Thank you so much.